Okay, we're going to talk about screencasting with Zoom. So it's kind of funny because you start a video and record it, but you don't really have to invite anyone. And we just use the recording features. So the way that you do that is you open up Zoom and you start a meeting. Once you're in the meeting, you're going to click enable audio and video. So notice how my mute button and my video button are not slashed out. There's no slash on that. So if there's a slash mark, you just click those to turn them on. Next, at the bottom of your screen, you'll click the record button, and that gets the recording started. Then you'll click share screen. Once you do that, this window pops up that looks like this, giving you a couple of options. You will click whatever you want. Of course, you could click your monitor. Usually it's the top left button. Some people like to use the whiteboard to draw and maybe do like math problems, that kind of thing. So click the one that makes sense to you. Then you're going to do your teaching and, show whatever screens you need to show. Use whatever tools you need that you would normally use in the classroom. Then when you're finished, the way that Zoom knows to process your video is you end the meeting. So you click end meeting, it'll probably say end meeting for all, you'll click that. Then you'll immediately see a converting meeting recording, kind of a processing window pop up. Just let that run depending on the length of your video. It will, be longer for longer videos. It'll take a little longer. Then the next step is it will pop up with a window where that file is located that it just processed. Usually it's called Zoom something. And so that MP4 file is created, which is awesome. It creates a couple of other files, but you're looking for that MP4 one. And it's going to be the one you double click on and it plays. Once you do that, this is sort of optional, but I'm assuming you want to share it. So then you'll go to Google Drive, and Google Drive is a great place to upload that file because you have the storage and you have the sharing features. So from Google Drive, you're going to click on the New button and click File Upload. And then, of course, you're going to navigate to your file and upload that file. Then once the Zoom file is, notice my Zoom file here is located in my Drive. And sometimes, by the way, if you double click it to open it and play it, it doesn't play right away. Videos in Google Drive sometimes take a while to process. But anyway, you can go and do this next step right away if you want. You right click the file and choose share. So you're going to want to share it, I'm assuming, with your students or with other teachers or whoever the audience is. Then the next step is you're going to click Get Shareable Link. And then you have options here as to how you want to share it. Most of you are probably going to share it to anyone in the district that can view it. Now notice that does mean they have to be logged in to their organization, Keller ISD account, Google account to view it. If you want it more broad, you can click more and go to those other options. But to save that, you're going to click Done. It's in the lower corner of that window. And then when you get back to this window here, you'll have a copy link button. The copy link button will allow you to copy and paste that link. Depending on how you're doing this, you might be using Canvas, Google Classroom, Seesaw, email. You can paste that link into whatever program you're using. So Zooming allows you to record and screencast without even inviting anyone.